हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एम्स पटना फार्मासिस्ट के प्रीवियस के क्वेश्चन पेपर को देखेंगे। ये पेपर जो आपको 19 अगस्त 2023 को हुआ था, इसका पार्ट 1 जो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है। ठीक है, उसमें हमने 51 क्वेश्चन जो डिस्कस कर लिए थे। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हम इसमें वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, जो पार्ट 1 है वो आपको हमारे चैनल पे मिल जाएगा और उसका जो लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो आपने अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो आप पहले जाके वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं और उसके बाद ये वीडियो देख ले। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द पॉजिटिव मिक्सचर? वन इज formed from materials such as gases or miscible liquid. Second, and no input of energy is needed if the time of mixing is unlimited. And third is it include emulsion, cream and viscous suspension. तो ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, 1 and 2 ओनली। Positive mixtures are those where components mix spontaneously, like gases or miscible liquid. They do not require external energy if given enough time. Emulsion and cream viscous suspension are complex negative mixture, not the positive ones. Next question. Question number 53. According to the Drug and Magic Remedy Act 1954, what are the penalty for the whoever controls of the provision of this act? One is in the case of the first convictions with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. Secondly, in case of the subsequent conviction with the imprisonment which may extend 2 years or fine with fine or both. Correct answer is only option 1. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। The act punish misleading drug advertisement. For the first offense, punishment imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or both. For repeat offense, imprisonment can be up to 2 years or fine or the both. Question number 54 है, what is the optimum temperature of most enzyme? Option A 47 degree Celsius, option B 37 degree Celsius, option C 67 degree Celsius, and option D 57 degree Celsius. Correct answer is option B 37 degree Celsius. Question number 55. Which type of toxic agent are neither created nor destroyed by humans? Option A pesticide, option B solvent, option C heavy metal, and option D furans. Correct answer is option C heavy metals. Heavy metal like lead, mercury cannot be created or destroyed by the humans. They are natural element. Next question. Which of the following are not characteristics of peripathogenic phases? One is this phase begin with the entry of the disease agent in the human host. Second is the factor that favor agent interaction with human hosts exit in the environment. And third is the clinical sign and symptoms of the disease are absent. Correct answer is option B, only second. Next question. In which of the given option regarding the product situation the personal selling becomes more effective and economical? One is when a product is in the maturity state of its life cycle and require creation of core demand. And second is when a product requires demonstration. Third is when product has no brand loyalty or very poor brand loyalty. Correct answer is option D. 2 and 3rd only. Next question. Question number 58. According to the classification of anti-neoplastic agent, which of the following does not fall under the category of anti-metabolite? Option A, purine analog, option B, folic acid analog, option C, azridine, and option D, pyrimidine analog. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following option is correct regarding the function of vitamin K? Option A, it help in forming different type of cells for different tissue or turnover. And option second is it is required for the synthesis of various protein needed for the process of blood clotting. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 60. What is the function of insulin hormone found in the pancreas? Correct answer is option A. Decrease blood glucose, alter protein and lipid metabolism. Insulin help in the lowering blood sugar by increasing glucose uptake in cell, promoting glycogen formation and regulating protein and fat metabolism. Next question. As per the legal accept of a drug store, what is the temperature range required for the storage of antibiotic, vitamin product, vaccine, sera, enzymatic preparation, etc.? Correct answer is option B. 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Most biological products like vaccines, sera, insulin, antibiotic, vitamins are stored in refrigerator temperature 2 to 8 degrees Celsius to prevent degradation. Next question. Which of the following are incorrect about the functionality of laxative? One is blocking agent makes the stool bigger, which gives the child the urge to have a bowel movement. And secondly, osmotic laxative soften the stool to make it easier for the child to push out. Only option second is correct. ऑप्शन डी इसमें सही हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following are the principle of drug dispensing? Dispense medication when it is in the best interest of the client, and secondly, dispensed medication can be dispensed to both clients who are under your care or not. Correct answer is option B. Only one. Next question. Which of the following is not related to the sterilization by dry heat? Option A. Effective method as dry heat by conduction leaches all surface or instrument. Second is eliminate wet pack problem in humid climate. And option third is sterilization cycle time is shorter. And D is leave no chemical residues. Correct answer is option C. Sterilization cycle time is shorter. Next question. DICE is a rare genetic disease due to the deficiency of the proximal phentoic coenzyme hydrolysis. Correct answer is option C. Next question. According to the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, the consultative committee constituted by the central government shall not exist as member. Correct answer is option D. 20. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct about the feature of enzyme? Conjugated enzyme consists entirely of amino acid, and second is the completely biological active conjugated enzyme is called holoenzyme. Correct answer is option D. Only second. Conjugative enzymes are not made entirely of the amino acid. They have two parts, apoenzyme and cofactor. Apoenzyme protein part made of the amino acid, cofactor non-protein part like metal ions or coenzyme. When both combine, they form the active enzyme known as holoenzyme. Next question. Which of the following correctly defines pharmacognosy? Correct answer is option B. Branch of the pharmacy which play a key role in the new drug discovery development by the using natural product. Next question. According to the Medicine and Toilet Preparation Act 1955, the punishment for conveyance at the offence shall be imprisonment of a term which may extend it to dash or with fine which may extend to dash or with both marks the correct option. Correct answer is option C, 6 months and 500 rupees. According to the Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act 1955, the punishment for the conveyance and the offence shall be imprisonment of a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 500 rupees or both. Next question. Question number 74. In which type of incompatibility the chemical interaction can be minimized by addition or substitutions of one of the reacting ingredient or precipitation with another of equal therapeutic value? Correct answer is option C, adjusted. Next question. Match the following organ with their primary function and mark the correct answer. Parathyroid gland level, control timing of the reproduction set day, and thyroid gland control tissue metabolic rate and the regulate, and thymus control maturation of the lymphocytes, and adrenal gland metabolism, cardiovascular and respiratory activity. Option D is correct. Next question. Question number 76. What is the minimum area which is required to start a retail drugstore? Correct answer is option C, 10 square meter. Next question. The type of metrology in which part measurement is replaced by process measurement using techniques such as 3D error compensations is. Correct answer is option D, deterministic. Next question. Question number 79. Which of the given concept of health view it is a dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment and disease as a maladjustment of the human organism to the environment? Correct answer is option D, ecological concept. Next question. Which of the following is a function of management? Correct answer is option A. The decisions are influenced by the value, opinion, and the belief of the manager. Next question. Which of the following is true about the elected member of the Pharmacy Council of India? One is 5 member elected by the University Grant Commissions, and option second is 1 member elected by the State Council who shall be registered pharmacists. Third is 2 member elected by the Medical Council of India. Correct answer is option D, only second. Next question. Which of the following are the type of dispensed preparations? Elixir, nasal drop, and granules. Correct answer is option A. Which of the following are the accessory organ of the digestive system? Small intestine, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Correct answer is option D. Liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Next question. Dash is not a type of laxative, which are the drug that promote the evacuation of the bowel and used in constipation. Correct answer is option B, loperamide. Laxative drug that soften stool or increase bowel movement. Sina, lactols promote bowel evacuations, and the loperamide is an antidiarrheal, decrease the bowel movement, opposite effect of the laxative. Next question. Which of the following type of chemical reaction is depicted here? Equation is sodium chloride plus silver nitrate gives sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. Option A displacement, option B double decomposition, option C simple combination, and option D simple decomposition. Correct answer is option B double decomposition. Double decomposition reaction, two compound exchange ions to form two new compound. Sodium swap with silver form NaNO3 and AgCl. Question number 86. Which of the following disease is not caused by the rickettsia? इनमें से कौन सी बीमारी रिकेट्सिया द्वारा नहीं होती? तो ऑप्शन ए से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, कालाजार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of As is an example of the small volume parenteral which are the product in the container labeled as containing 100 ml or less of a single dose injection intended or for administration. Correct answer is option D, dry powder. Next of the following option is not a type of bulk powder used for external use. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following was aims of the Pharmacy Act 1948? One is regulation of the practice of the pharmacy in India. Second is raising the status of the professions of the pharmacy. Third is regulation of the import, manufacture, sale and distribution of the drug. Correct answer is option B, one and second only. Next question. In which of the following is the antimicrobial agent bactericidal in nature? Correct answer is option D, cephalosporin. Next question. Which of the given option is demerits of using internal sources of requirement in the organization? Correct answer is option A. It involves the breeding of ideas. Next question. Which of the following statement about the nationalizations of the bank in India is incorrect? One is on January 1st, 1949, RBI was nationalized. Second is in 1955, the Imperial Bank of India was nationalized, named SBI. And third is on 19 July 1978, 14 major Indian commercial bank was nationalized. And fourth is on 15 April 1982, another 7 bank was nationalized. Correct answer is option D, third and fourth only. Next question. As per the Medicinal Toilet Preparation Act 1955, which of the following does not refer to the definition of the opium? One is the capsule of the poppy, whether in their original form or cut, crushed or powdered, and the whether or not juices has been extracted therefore. And morphine, that is the principal alkaloid of opium having the chemical formula C17H19NO3 and its salt and derivative. Correct answer is option B, only second. Next question. Dyes are the substance that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and the flaking. Correct answer is option D, emollient. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect about the property of the hydrocarbon? Correct answer is option D, high solubility in water. Next question. Is on the interior of animal and humans. Lice and the scabies mites are the some of the common example. Correct answer is option D, only second. Next question. Which of the following is not a stage of tableting? Coating, dry blending, filtration, granulation. Correct answer is option C, filtration. Next question. Which of the following is a part of the production planning and control? Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding the critical accepting field? Correct answer is option C. A workspace that is managed as a key part and utilized when key parts are large or numerous.